Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards. Describe an occasion when you helped a family member or relative with something. You should say, when it happened, who you helped, how you helped, and explain how you felt about the experience. I remember helping my younger cousin with her school project last year as one particularly memorable instance of helping a family member. She was having trouble finishing a significant science assignment that she had to turn in after her summer vacation when it happened. This endeavor was essential to my cousin's final grades in her last year of education. She was required to construct a solar system model and give an in-depth presentation. Sadly, she lacked confidence in her ability to create the model, so she turned to me for assistance because I've always been a little more imaginative and adept at practical work. I stayed at her place for a couple of weekends to assist her. I started by giving her advice on how to do research and collect project materials. After that, we collaborated to construct the model, ensuring that the size and distance of every planet were appropriately reflected. We represented the planets and their orbits with sticks, paint, and foam balls. I also assisted her in practicing her presentation when she finished the model, teaching her how to confidently and effectively convey the main ideas. Helping her made me feel so pleased, especially after she presented the presentation at school and got great feedback from her instructor. I also grew closer to my cousin as a result of the experience, and it was really satisfying to watch her gain self-assurance and accomplishment. It made me feel so good to know that I contributed to her accomplishment. The opportunity to impart my expertise and abilities to her further enhanced the significance of the experience by assisting her in realizing the value of seeking assistance when faced with difficulties. This improved our relationship while also helping her grades. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this sample answer helpful and that it gives you some ideas on how to approach this cue card topic. Remember, the key to doing well in the IELTS speaking exam is practice. So try to practice speaking on different topics as much as you can. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more IELTS tips and sample answers. Also, if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.